Should I set up an LLC for consulting? If you're considering starting a consulting business, you may be wondering if you should set up an LLC. In this video, we will discuss the major advantages of forming an LLC for a consulting business. But before we do, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell so you can stay updated about important business topics. Having a consulting business can be considered an excellent choice when it comes to making consistent profits. A recent report by Research and Markets estimates that the global management consulting market will reach $343 billion by 2026, with a compound annual growth rate of 3.6% through 2026. This suggests that there's significant demand for consulting services across various industries, including management, finance, and technology. One of the main advantages of forming an LLC for any sector of the consulting business is that it provides personal liability protection. This means that if your business faces legal or financial issues, your personal assets will be protected. Additionally, forming an LLC can add credibility to your business and make it easier to secure funding or contracts. Another advantage is that an LLC provides flexibility in terms of management and taxation. LLCs have pass-through taxation, meaning that the profits and losses of the business are passed through to the owners and reported on their individual tax returns. This can result in a lower tax burden for your consulting business. Keep in mind that forming an LLC may not be necessary for all consulting businesses. If you are a sole proprietor and do not have any employees or high levels of liability, you may not need the added protection provided by an LLC. Deciding whether to form an LLC for your consulting business depends on your individual circumstances and needs. For help making this important decision, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our LLC experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about setting up an LLC? Do the advantages seem worth it to you? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.